What to do when you first go to do it, shut the water off. All you have to do is take this knob and turn it like that. These are spring assist. As you open the door rises. Let's see if it'll come loose. I'm the senior technician / training coordinator for HRI. Today we are heading to Buffalo Yacht Club. We have a couple parts put in the steamer to see if we can get that operational for them. Then next we have Wanaka Country Club, where they have a walk-in freezer. One of the door hinges, spring assist, broke on it. So we're gonna replace that. Good morning, Buffalo. We just got to Buffalo Yacht Club. The issue with this steamer was a bad float switch. It would fill the unit, but it wouldn't heat. So that limits their service. Basically what I had to do to this, replace the water filters, which is normal maintenance. Then I needed to replace the float switch because it wasn't sensing the lower level of the water to turn the heat on. I got the steamer, I got the new filters, I got the float switch on, it heats up. All right, we're done with the steamer. What I like about HRI is the technicians are paid hourly. We could sell no parts, we could sell $2,000 of parts. Our pay stays the same. We're not on commission, which I actually like, because if you start paying guys commission, all they're gonna do is change parts. I can't go for that. It's a family company. It's not owned by a mega corporation that tries to nickel and dime everything they can out of a customer. I learned many years ago by one of my mentors, always treat the customer's money as if you were writing the check for it. We just got to Wanaka Country Club. I'm gonna go in and check in with Chef, let them know I'm here, and then go replace the hinge. Basically what happened to that one, these are spring assist, and as you open the door rises. They're cams, and you let go, the springs help it close. So they had one outside in the freezer that the spring assembly broke. Let's see if it'll come loose. There we go. This ain't actually the best weather to see if they close. It's got all that snow buildup underneath it. I'll lock it back up to leave it like I found it. This biggest thing is just ask the technician when he's there, hey, is there anything I could look at to, prevent this service call or that one? And a good technician will take time to tell the customer, hey, this is what to look for. Buffalo Yacht Club, the gentleman doesn't know how to descale the steamer. So when I go back, I am going to show him how to do it. So he has an understanding, so he does not have to call us out to do it if he feels comfortable doing it. If he doesn't feel comfortable, by all means call, and we will come out there and we will do it. And what I like the customer to take away from everything is we do everything we can in our power to resolve the issue.